Hey guys, it's Rachel and Jasmine, and welcome back to my channel. She said, please put me down. Today I'm just going to be vlogging for you guys, and I thought that would be fun. I really just like showing you guys my life, and sometimes I just feel like picking up the camera and showing you what I do throughout the day. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do in this video. I am coming up with some really cool ideas for this channel, so stay tuned. They're a work in progress. But for now, we're just gonna vlog and have a nice day together. Sound good? Let's do it. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing the super cute 101 Dalmatian shirt, my necklace that says Love You Taylor in her handwriting, and it's literally my favorite necklace ever, and my favorite black Old Navy jeans. My cat says hello, and I have on my slippers. One's missing a pom-pom. I don't literally know where it went. I washed them, so maybe it just disappeared somehow in the washer or dryer, but they're still comfortable. They're still operating, so that is what we're wearing. I'm wearing a NYX lingerie lipstick, and it's literally my favorite, and I haven't worn it in a hot second, and I forgot how much I loved it, but I love it. Oh, and a scrunchie in case I want to put my hair back. She said, I am not paying attention to you. Hi, baby. Hi, pretty. Alright, so I am actually about to hop on FaceTime with Ian, and I'm really excited because I haven't talked to him. I mean, I've texted him, but I haven't like talked to him in a little bit. So I'm excited to catch up. And yeah, that is really about it. I'm going to also get a bite to eat, but since I can't make decisions for myself, I'm going to ask Ian what I should eat, because why not? You know, sometimes you just need a helpful hand. Like, do I want cereal? Or, like, what do I want? Like, I can't make up my mind, so. Anyways, my cat, throughout this whole quarantine situation, has become so, like, she's always been right by my side, but recently she's just been, I don't know, extra about it, and I love it so much. So she sleeps with me, and even if I'm sitting in my bed doing homework in the afternoon, or like when I get home from work, she always comes up and curls up next to me. But if I get up to go to the bathroom, she follows me into my bathroom, sits by me, and then comes back and lays down with me, and I don't know if that's TMI, but I literally think it's the cutest thing ever that she just follows me wherever I go, and that specific situation comes to mind, and she's just precious, and I love her. They're mowing the lawn. Thanks. Hello. You said hello, vlog. Anyways, guys, that is your update. My hair looks super blonde for no reason. I think it's because I'm wearing like maybe like a darker lip shade today, and it's like popping off. I don't know, but it looks really blonde right here. I just noticed that while I was talking. But yeah, I'm gonna FaceTime Ian now. So, as soon as I shut the camera off, I came up with a great idea. It's nothing big, but a while back, my mom and I took like a little weekend trip up to an area, like a colonial area in our state, and before all of this happened. And we were in like this general store gift shop area, and I found 2 finger puppets of cats. Now listen. I got them just because I thought they were funny, and I have in the back of my mind a really funny video idea to do with these, but that's gonna be on hold until all of this clears up. Anyways, I'm gonna literally answer FaceTime with these on, and Ian's gonna scream because we went and saw cats together, and now it just cringes him out whenever I do something to mess with him. Our relationship is very cringy because we just mess with each other constantly. So, yeah, let's do it. Also, you guys, I have a super exciting announcement. I'm just kidding. Sergeant Tibbs is the best character on 101 Dalmatians, period. Best Disney cat, maybe, out there. I watched 101 Dalmatians last night, so that's why I'm like talking about it. Anyways, I know everybody loves Disney, so why not mention it, right? I turned on, I turned it on before I even got his reaction, but he went, oh Lord.
Jesus.
Ian, what did you say?
All I'm saying is that Cat on Your Finger has more character than every single one in the movie itself. It's so bad. I hate that. Don't be it.
Ian! Jasmine.
Oh, cat's eating.
Did you just say said my cat is eating kibble? And I...
Listen, I don't know the different fucking entrees of domestic pets, okay?
I made some chicken parmesan, which it looks so good. It kind of exploded a little bit in the microwave. We're just going to excuse that. But yeah, anyways, so I'm still on FaceTime with Ian, and I'm going to go back upstairs and eat this. He's really sitting on my laptop right now. He's so cute.
Your bird ended the call.
I'm not kidding. He literally just ended the call.
Your bird ended the call because he hates me that much. What? That's clickbait. Unfortunately, at my expense.
Pose for a thumbnail. Pose for a thumbnail.
Hey, Taco. What's up, dude? Are you gonna end this call again? What are you trying to do, my guy? You're gonna end this call.
Oh.
He's trying. He's trying to find the end call button. Get out of here, dude.
I think he's growling at you, Ian. Do you hear that?
His eyeballs. Like seeking into my soul. What are you doing? I'm literally having a standoff over the phone with a bird. Like a bird. I'm laughing. He's like telling off the audience.
He said, I have something to say. No.
He's killing me.
Oh my god, it's Ian's dog.
Because they're buying it from the same place, and it's interesting to see the different prices that they price them at.
Hello, it is much later. My makeup looks like it's been through it, and that is because it's been on for a long time. It is 7:05, and I put it on at like 12 hours ago. Yeah, approximately. I think I got up about... Anyways, it's had it today, and I have just been laying in my bed and watching some videos, so that didn't do it justice either. Anyways, that's not my point of this clip. First of all, wanted to say it's raining out, and I don't know, I just had not my ceiling fan on. It was kind of just dark in my room. I was kind of just laying there, and I was like, you know what, tonight and every night is a Disney night, but when it's like raining out and it's just like subtly raining, there's just something so magical about watching a Disney movie, and that is what I'm gonna do tonight. I don't know which one I'm gonna watch. Emily told me about Tangled, and I've watched it 2 times since she told me about it, so I got obsessed with that. I've watched Cars 2. I don't recommend, because I, growing up, was absolutely obsessed with Cars, and I was talking with Ian about this earlier. He's like, oh yeah, no, it didn't do it justice. Like, seriously, I loved the first one so much that I had been skeptical to even watch the second one, because I was like, you know what, something's telling me that Cars 1 will just never be topped. It wasn't. But I'm glad I watched it, because I would have been curious. Otherwise, I have not seen Cars 4. So, I mean, Cars 3. Oh my god. I have been on social lives for too long. So, hello. Rachel, there's like a total other number. It's called 3, not script to 1, 2, 4. Anyways, so yeah, that is what I've watched. Toy Story 4, though. Guys, if you want to see a good Disney movie, I recommend. I freaking love that. And I actually found a Forky. I got him. I got really bored, and I took pictures of him hanging off my trash can. And if you see in the movie, you get it. So, picture here, and just for your entertainment. Anyways, so I don't know what Disney movie I'm gonna watch tonight. Last night I watched 101 Dalmatians, as you guys know, because I can't shut up about it. And, okay, I do have a trivia question for you guys. So, I have some Disney stuffed animals sitting in front of me. And there is one that is not a well-known character, but I love the character. And when my mom and I went to Raleigh to see Ariana Grande back in November, I got this. And I want to see if you guys know what the character's name is and what movie it's from. Because honestly, nobody I ask has a clue. So, this is the character. It's a dog. And he has blue eyes. And yeah, this is what he looks like. Just a general question, trivia question. I'm so curious if anybody knows. Let me know. Literally 99.999% of the time, I always wait to take my makeup off when I'm ready to get in the shower. And you know what? Not tonight. It's coming off. I don't know why. It just feels crusty. So I am going to use some of these. This is so cute. My mom saw these when she went to Walgreens to get some stuff. And she was like, I just got these for you because it made me think of you. And anyway, so it says Calm Down. And I thought it was so cute. And she's so adorable. So I am definitely, yeah, oh, it has aloe vera and green tea. Which, green tea, I've been using a lot on my skin, like in facial products. Like, I use this facial scrub that is like good for your pores. I usually take off my glasses, but I'm talking to you guys and I really kind of want to see what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm not going to take my eye makeup off though, because it feels so good to get this off. But yeah, green tea is like actually, I find it to be very useful for my skin, so that makes me happy. So these, having them, that in there, is very good. Oh, this is so soothing. My lips feel like so dry too. What? And for what? What is the reason? There were a couple days last week where I did not wear like any foundation and it felt so good. I think it was like Monday and Sunday and Monday last week where I just kind of let my skin breathe and it felt honestly so good. And I don't know, sometimes it's just really good to let your skin breathe. I am a huge fan of having my makeup done completely, and it's not, I love the routine of it, and that's why I love it. But sometimes it just feels so good to not have anything on your face, and it's just really soothing. So that is exactly what's happening right now. So I'm just sitting here watching Colleen's new vlog where she cuts Flynn's hair, and it's so cute. I just gotta say, her and Sierra Schulte are my girlies. Like, I love them so much. Colleen and Sierra just do so many good things. I love both of their positivities. I love the daily vlogs. I love seeing what they're up to. Literally, Colleen said in a couple of videos ago, like, she was like, I don't know how you guys keep watching. I do the same thing every day, but there is something just so captivating. I just love her, period. So I love seeing what she does. And Sierra is just such a positive inspiration. And I look up to her so much. And she is amazing. So just, you know, a little shout out to my literal 2 favorite YouTubers. Also, Maddie and Elijah. I love them too. I kind of want to do a video where I break down like my favorite YouTubers and why I watch them. So if you guys want to see that, give this video a like. I just don't know if that's something you guys want to see, but it's an idea I've kind of been like toying with. But let me know if you actually would like to see that. So I just cleaned out the convection oven, you know, just so it didn't get crusty. I just got all the little stuff out of it, cleaned the bottom pan and all. And then I emptied the dishwasher, and now I'm gonna get some more water because I have been awful about my water today. Literally, I usually go through like 6 of these a day, and I'm literally on my first one still, unless I just don't remember filling it back up. But I believe this is literally my first cup, so I need to get back on it. Also, I don't know what to eat for dinner because I had like that chicken parmesan for lunch, but I don't want something super heavy. I might just have like cereal tonight. That kind of sounds good because I had some snacks and stuff earlier too. We'll see.
Time for the waist to be too loose, and with it, I don't have to at all, so that makes me very happy. And she also wrote to tell me that she made a discount code for any of you guys who want to try BB & Co.
I'm totally freaking out because I knew Sarah Schultze loved Taylor, but I don't know. It's something about seeing that Lover vinyl just sitting there on her record player. We love that, and it's literally right there too. I stan so hard. It is now Saturday, and I just got ready for the day, and I'm very like color coordinated today, but I just wanted to wrap up this vlog and say I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much. I really enjoyed just vlogging casually for you guys. And yeah, let me know if you want to see that YouTuber video. I would love to do that for you guys. I have so many fun ideas coming very soon. Just stay tuned to my channel. I love you guys so, so much. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I will see you, yes you, in the next one. I sincerely hope this entertained you in some way. Am I missing anything else? Nope, I think we're good. I will see you, yes you, in the next one. Bye guys, love you.